Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Bitcoin from Bitmart to Revolut in 2025. This process is perfect if you're looking to move your crypto assets securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, I'll break it down step by step to make it easy and stress-free. First, ensure you have verified accounts on both Bitmart and Revolut. Revolut supports Bitcoin deposits, but always double-check for any updates in 2025. Also, be aware of potential network fees and transaction times. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account and navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your Bitcoin balance there. Step 2. Select Bitcoin and click on the Withdraw option. You'll see a form where you enter the amount you want to send. Make sure it's less than your available balance. Step 3. Choose the correct network for the withdrawal. For Bitcoin, stick with the Bitcoin network to avoid any compatibility issues. Step 4. Open your Revolut app, go to the Crypto section, select Bitcoin, and copy your unique wallet address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully into the Bitmart withdrawal form to prevent errors. Step 5. Review the details, including the amount, address, and fees. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction. It might take a few minutes to a few hours for the Bitcoin to appear in your Revolut account, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always verify the wallet address multiple times because crypto transactions are irreversible. If you encounter any problems, check the help sections on both platforms. There you have it. That's how you send Bitcoin from Bitmart to Revolut in 2025. This method keeps things simple and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.